In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a file from OneDrive to your computer, laptop, or PC. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're not very familiar with OneDrive, you'll be able to follow along easily and save your files directly to your device. First, open your web browser and go to the OneDrive website. Sign in with your Microsoft account if you're not already logged in. Once you're signed in, you'll see your OneDrive homepage, which lists all your folders and files stored in the cloud. Take a moment to get familiar with this view. It's very similar to a regular file explorer, just online. Next, navigate to the file you want to move to your computer. You can do this by clicking through your folders on the left-hand side or in the main area of the page. If you're having trouble finding it, use the search bar at the top and type in part of the file name. When you see the file you want, hover your mouse over it or click once to select it. With the file selected, look towards the top menu bar. There should be an option labeled Download. On some layouts, you might need to click a three-dot menu, often called More Options, to see Download. Go ahead and click Download. OneDrive will then prepare your file and your browser will start downloading it. Exactly what happens next can look a little different depending on your browser, but generally, you'll see the file appear in your browser's download bar or in a small pop-up. By default, most browsers save downloads into a folder called Downloads on your computer. If you're unsure where that is, you can usually open it from your browser's downloads list, or by opening File Explorer and clicking the Downloads folder on the left. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and find the file. At this point, the file is already on your computer, but you may want to move it somewhere more permanent, like your Documents folder or your desktop. To do that, simply drag and drop the file into your preferred folder, or right-click the file, choose Cut or Copy, then right-click in the Destination folder and choose Paste. If you ever need to move multiple files at once, you can select several files in OneDrive before clicking Download, and they'll usually be packaged into a single compressed folder that you can extract on your computer. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully moved a file from OneDrive to your computer.